Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I just want to show you guys how I moisturize my hair at night. So this is kind of a nighttime routine, and I just decided to show you guys what I actually do in order to keep my hair moisturized, all through the night. And I'm also going to be giving you guys a few tips that can help you to retain moisture for days, So I made this chunky twist, and looks like I'm going to be using this as a form of protective style, but I will only be keeping this for 2 weeks. It's actually for about 4 days old. So this is what it looks like, guys. After I made it, I've not moisturized it, I've not touched my hair. As you can see, it's kind of dry. My hair is very dry, so I'm going to be moisturizing this. And yeah, so first off, I'm going to go in with my spray, my hairspray. So in here I have hibiscus, I have fenugreek, I have moringa and cloves. I also have rosemary leaves. So this is a very great combination, and I'm using it as my leave-in spray for the next couple of weeks. So I'm going to go in with this first of all on my scalp to moisturize my scalp. The hibiscus also help with gray hairs, so if you are having gray hairs, you can use this. It's become one of my most favorite Ayurveda. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to go in with my oil. I have a video of how I made this. I'm going to drop the link. This is moringa and rosemary oil, so you can check the video. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to apply this on my scalp. And don't forget your edges. They are equally as important as every other area of your hair. So I'm going to be working this in, massaging my scalp to encourage, hair growth on my edges. Apply my oil on this other side. So what I like to do, I like to squeeze this in because, of course, low porosity hair always tend to be difficult to absorb moisture. So after doing this, I'm going to braid this section. I want to go in with some oil on the edge, on my edges. This is my satin bonnet, so I have satin on the inside and Ankara fabric on the outside. So I just, cover my hair up with my satin bonnet, and that is it, guys. I'm off to bed. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to drop a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.